guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how I restored this tri-square and turned it into something beautiful. I'm going to be restoring this and just the handle today. So over here there's these three really nice diamond shape sort of things which hold this in. So a good way of sanding that is just to get some sandpaper and then you just sand it for a while, and then now you can start seeing it starting to sort of shine up a bit, but make sure you put safety first. So I'm just using this respirator because you don't want to get any dust or rust in your lungs. So I'm just going to put the respirator on. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of sanding. I've sanded this metal a bit more so it looks a bit better than it was before. I sanded this and I've worked out something that these three diamond shaped things which are on both sides, they are actually below the wood surface, so I would have to file down quite a way and that will waste a lot of my time to get down and make it look all nice down to the very bottom. So a little trick is you just use this type of file, or you could literally just use your shop ruler. It really just depends. If you have a file, use this. If you don't have a file and you just have a shop ruler, you can just use this. So it's basically, you just use this and then you just scrape it against the thing and it will slowly take off all the gunk from the metal. So I hope that's useful for you. If you are using the shop ruler, you would just use the same scraping method. You would use the rounded part, not just the square part. Hope that's useful to you. If you're ever trying to restore a tri-square like this and it's below the wood surface, you should use that trick because it would save you a lot of time, because you would have to try and sand down the whole way to the very bottom. So I hope you enjoyed the tip. I'll see you when I'm doing some bunching. Okay, so this is the part we've all been waiting for. It's the finishing part. So I'm going to be finishing this tri-square. I hope you enjoy the finishing process, and I've got to put it on my tool wall, so make sure you watch the whole video. So I'm just using the olive oil trick. I've got a video about that. Make sure you check that video out. I'm just pouring some into a container. You could use a tissue to spread it on, but I'm going to use a brush, if I can find the brush. Change the blend. I don't know where the brush is anymore, so I'm just going to use a tissue. Where's the tissue? Oh, here's the tissue. Okay, let's brush it on. giving this a little while to sink in, and then I'm going to put on another coat. All the varnish just soak into the wood, and now I'll put some more on. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe it all down. Remove any excess which hasn't already sunken in. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks way better than it looked before I used the olive oil trick. So now I'm going to attach it onto the wall. Okay, so I've attached it onto the wall. This is the tri-square attached onto the wall. So over there on the wall you can see the tri-square attached to the two dowels. I cut the two dowels to 40, I cut this dowel to 45 millimeters, and then I cut a little slit in here which doesn't go the whole way through into, I think it's 1 centimeter. So the aim of the thing is the tri-square can sit on the wall and the little slit rests in it like that, so it actually holds in it, because my bench is attached to the wall and my tool wall is obviously on the wall, so, and my tools are on the tool wall. So if my bench shakes, let's say I'm doing some hand planing or something and my bench is shaking, then all my tools will maybe fall off my wall. So I need to try and figure out different ways to keep them on the wall. So if we put this little slit, it's a perfect little thing for it to sit in. So this is the finished tri-square, and put it on the wall. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching the whole video of me restoring this tri-square. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.